Hi friends, welcome to D'Souza's kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make banana flower vegetable. In Konkan it is called Kyancha Fulachi Bhaji. Let's start. Let's clean the banana flower. These are the flowers of the banana. We need to remove this hard part along with the transparent leaf. We need to do it for each and every flower. I have cleaned all the banana flowers. Now let's chop it. This is the tender part of the flower. You don't need to clean this, open it up. You can just directly cut it. Chop it fine. Let's have a look at the ingredients. I have washed and soaked the chopped banana in water to prevent it from getting black. Other ingredients are 1 medium-sized chopped onion, half a medium-sized grated coconut, half teaspoon haldi, 1 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon jeera, cumin seeds and 3 green chilies chopped. Now in a pan, let's add 4 tablespoons of oil. Let's add the jeera. Now let's add the onion. Fry the onion till it turns translucent. Add the chilies. Onions are done. Now let's add the banana. Add the haldi powder and garam masala. Salt as per your taste. Stir it well. You don't need to add any water. Cover it with the lid and let it cook on low flame for 10 to 15 minutes. Our banana flour vegetable is almost done. Let's add the coconut. Mix it well. Cover it with the lid and cook it for another 5 minutes. Our banana flour vegetable is ready. Let's serve it. Our delicious banana flour vegetable is ready. केळ्याच्या फुलाची भाजी ready.